You're watching Truth versus Hype. At first, it seemed like a case of police victory. 8 men, members of the band outfit Simi, break out of a heavily guarded jail. But then, barely a few hours later, they're hunted down and killed in an encounter. But amateur videos, supposedly of the encounter, blew holes in the police claim. And soon, even the jailbreak itself was called into question. In the next 30 minutes, we've pieced together the most detailed account of both incidents. One that suggests that while the killing of the men was indeed staged, the jailbreak appears to be, at least based on the information we have at the moment, the real deal. Until the jailbreak, the high walls of Bhopal Central Jail symbolized its impregnable reputation. Its website proudly displaying an ISO certificate. It's this reputation that ironically led it to become the jail of choice after a 2013 jailbreak from a prison in Khandwa, 5 hours from Bhopal, where 6 Simi men broke out through a wall and fled. Since then, all members of Simi in prisons across the state were brought to the Bhopal jail, including the 4 men who had broken out of Khandwa and been recaptured. Simi के कितने लोग थे टोटल आपके जेल में?
29 आतंकवादी जेल में परिरुद्ध थे। यदि प्रदेश की अन्य केंद्रीय जेलों में परिरुद्ध होते तो संभवतः इस तरह की घटना नहीं हो पाती। खंडवा ब्रेक के बाद में निर्णय लिया गया
कि सारे लोगों को एक ही भोपाल सेंट्रल जेल में रखा जाए।
निसंदेह
All of them under trial for serious charges. Of the 8 men killed, Mehboob Guddu and Zakir Hussain, for instance, faced murder charges. Many others booked for attempt to murder. Almost all under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Their lawyer claims these charges lack substance. Some of them face charges of attempt to murder, some under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. So charges are serious.
But charges were not proof. Burden of proof is prosecution.
It is under trial.
Yes, he was under trial. और there was the burden of proof to prosecution. Prosecution को proof करना जरूरी था. Prosecution was not capable to prove this matter before the court.
What was the status of this case?
Evidence stage पे केस चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
Evidence stage है. और prosecution ने अभी तक कोई मतलब ऐसा कोई witness पेश नहीं किया जिससे ये proof हो सके कि these persons who were behind the bar, they were the member of the band organization Simi.
But their reputation so formidable that even their own lawyer would not visit them in jail. You never met them in jail?
नहीं.
Why? What was your apprehension?
देखिए एप्रीहेंशन ये था सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि अगर मैं जेल में जाके मिलता तो ये मुझे सस्पेक्ट बना लेते.
अगर ये लोग कुछ करते तो?
अगर ये लोग कोई ऐसी हरकत करते तो ये मुझे सस्पेक्ट बना लेते. अगर ये किसी को मार भी देते तो मुझे सस्पेक्ट बना लेते.
It's the reason why the prison kept the Simi men in, at least in theory, its 3 most secure wings. 3 blocks, A, B and C, all similarly designed.
Viewed from Google Earth, this is the Bhopal prison. And this, like a box inside a box inside a box, is Block B, where the men who escaped were lodged. Each cell door is locked at night, the locks changed frequently. If they got out, they would have to enter a walled-in locked courtyard, then a walled-in common space, and then cross a 300-foot exposed zone, and then scale a 25-odd-foot outer wall. All of this they'd have to do undetected by the gaze of 2 CCTV cameras focused just on their block, monitored in a central room, a total of 48 cameras in all, patrolling guards, 2 per block who work on 4-hour shifts, as well as armed sentries on the watchtower abutting the outer wall. So how did they get out?
The official version that they used toothbrush keys to pick the locks and then a bedsheet ladder to scale the walls seemed improbable. In fact, many doubt the jailbreak, suggesting the prisoners were let out deliberately.
Encounter भी होता है तो उसके बाद ये नहीं बताया जाता है कौन से शस्त्र थे. एक शस्त्र बताया जाता कि एक छुरा था और छुरा भी ऐसा लगता है जैसे अभी खरीद के लाए हो. कपड़े भी नए नए पहने हुए थे, रिस्ट वॉच भी पहने हुए थे, नए कपड़े थे, बड़े बड़े ब्रांड नेम्स के कपड़े पहने हुए थे. ये भी अजीब बात है कि 2:30 बजे निकले और सुबह 8 बजे तक वो इकट्ठे घूमते रहे, चहलकदमी करते रहे.
But NDTV was shown, not given, pictures of these toothbrush keys recovered from the men and of the ladder. We found it to be credible, and so we reconstructed what that image looked like. The head of the toothbrush cut off, and a key is carved into the handle of the brush. The photo we were shown had about a dozen such toothbrush handle keys, each numbered to match a lock, suggesting that even if locks had been changed, they had keys to match. Jail officials privately admit that it would have been impossible for prisoners to make those keys on their own. Someone on the inside has either given them the originals to duplicate or had the toothbrush keys made outside and smuggled them back, so it would appear that they were fashioned inside the jail. Once the 8 men from B block got out using the keys, they huddled inside rooms in their respective wings. When the sentries came on inspection, Rama Shankar Yadav entered one wing and Chandan Ahirwar another. Here they were waylaid by the men. Yadav's throat slit using a steel plate broken in half. Ahirwar was tied up and gagged, the sole witness, but the day we met him, unable to speak.
यादव जी के बारे में थोड़ा बता दीजिए, कैसे थे, कैसे थे?
साथ ही राउंड करने गए हुए थे।
दोनों साथ राउंड करने गए थे?
दोनों ही साथ। दोनों को किडनैप कर।
दोनों को किडनैप कर लिया। अच्छा, आपको फिर? बट यादव जी की कोई यादगार कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उनके बारे में? ठीक है भाई, ठीक।
According to the jail officials, once out of their cell, the walls of their block were easy to scale. The real obstacle, the final wall, 25 feet high, for which they used an improvised ladder.
The picture we were shown of the ladder looked like this: bed sheets along the length and wooden planks as horizontals. The ladder stretching all the way up one side of the wall and down another. But again, the question, how could they have scaled the wall unless someone at the other end was there to hold down the ladder? One jail official told us that it was thrown over the wall and it may have allowed one man to scale it on his own, using the grip of the sheets against the curve of the wall, and then once across hold the other end to let the others across. Or they simply had someone on the outside.
An even bigger question, how did they reach the wall undetected? Again, a mix of collusion and incompetence.
Both CCTVs meant to cover the B block not working that night. A jail official we spoke to claimed the CCTVs could not have been disabled without inside help. But then, wouldn't the control room have detected that 2 monitors were on the blink or seen their movement on other CCTVs? According to the jail official we spoke to, there was no one in the control room that night. The 4 armed guards of the SAF at the outer wall either asleep or missing.
आर्म्स गार्ड जो है उस पहुंच के
R.S. Vijay Varghya is a former DIG prisons, familiar with the Bhopal jail.
जिस एरिया में ये थे वो एरिया मेन एरिया से हट के थोड़ा सा है, इसीलिए एसएफ के गार्ड तैनात की गई थी, जो एक काफ़ी ऊंचा स्थान है जिसको ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट कहा जाता है, उसकी छत पर, लेकिन वॉच टावर जैसा, तो वहाँ से पूरा एंगल रहता है कि वो अगर गोली चलाए तो सीधा उस पर लगे। लेकिन दुखद बात ये रही कि वो जो जैसा आप मैंने देखा है, सुना है कि वो लोग शायद उस समय वहाँ नहीं थे।
In fact, the insiders we spoke to, the more the picture emerged of a prison high in security in theory but lax in practice.
Here is a top jail official admitting that they saw this coming.
मध्य प्रदेश के पूरे सिमी के आतंकवादियों को एक साथ रखना, कहीं ना कहीं एक जगह पर रखने से उनके षड्यंत्र वगैरह बनने का कार्य हुआ। हम लोग सदैव प्रयासरत रहे कि उनको अलग अलग जेलों पर रखा जाए, परंतु नहीं रख पाए।
Despite this, records accessed by NDTV show that on the day of the jailbreak, the prison was understaffed.
After the jailbreak, security here has been enhanced. But sources in the prison administration have told us that for the last 2 years, out of the 250 guards, 80 or 1/3 are posted in various government offices and even bungalows of ministers, and 31 posts are lying vacant. In effect, it's operating at just over half its strength.
A revealing conversation with Madhya Pradesh's jail minister. She claimed almost casually that out-of-work CCTVs was not unusual. मंत्री जी, कहा जा रहा है कि CCTV जो थी वो कुछ कैद कर पाई क्या?
हाँ, कुछ फोटो तो उसमें है, लेकिन अब हो सकता है कि एक आध सीसीटीवी कैमरा खराब हो गया हो।
कुछ CCTV खराब भी हो गए हैं।
होने के लिए क्या नहीं हो सकता, होने के लिए हो सकता है।
क्या आप भी इस पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेती हैं, क्योंकि आप भी जेल मिनिस्टर हैं?
मैं अभी 1.5 महीने पहले जेल मंत्री बनी हूँ, लेकिन चूंकि जेल मंत्री हूँ इसलिए मेरी भी जिम्मेवारी तो है।
आप मानती हैं?
मैं मानती हूँ कि चूक हुई है, और जेल मंत्री के होने के नाते कहीं ना कहीं मेरी जिम्मेवारी भी बनती है। लेकिन मैं आपसे ये भी कहना चाहती हूँ कि मात्र 1.5 महीने पहले मैं जेल मंत्री बनी हूँ।